Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we have a surprise gift sent by Hexbug. I'm assuming this has to do with the BattleBot series, but we'll find out very shortly. So this kind of came up to us as a surprise, and we actually have really no idea what's inside. But together we'll see exactly what's in here. So let's go ahead and get started and see what it's all about. All right. So this is the box that they sent us. Lovely wrapping, I have to say. It's got this geometric design going throughout it. It says open to play, and then it says that this is for creators. I'm a creator. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open up the bow. It's kind of hefty. I'm not sure what's in here. All right, so this goes ahead and just kind of... Who knew? How? Okay, wait. All right, ready? Whew, that was difficult. Okay. All right, I'm not sure. It says pull this tab to open, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the tab up. All right, cool. So it says unveiling your mystery box. Time to explore a peek inside the compartments by following the steps below. Don't forget to cut down the middle to reveal the big surprise. All right, play and snap, unpack the rest of the mystery items, and enter into the world of Ultimate Robot Showdown with their new BattleBots. I knew it! Share with the world and hashtag BattleBots and Hexbugs. Can't wait to see your creation. Cool. All right, step number one. Oh, cool. So we have ourselves a BattleBot. All right, so this here's Bronco. Look at that. So this is a flipper style robot. Comes with a variety of different parts, and it's controllable via the remote control. We reviewed quite a few of these BattleBots, so I don't think we have this one yet, so it's kind of cool to see. Step number two. I'm guessing each of these have a robot. This is one of our classics, so this here is Beta, which we already have, so it's kind of cool to see them side by side. What do we have here? Okay, so we have ourselves a Minotaur. And the servos on it kind of works kind of unique, so it kind of like spins and it kind of throws up the enemy, which is really nice. And last but not least, step number four. All right, so this here's something definitely new. So this here's Bite Force. So it's got this wide-looking stance with these almost like claws on the front. And then it has this like turning mechanism, which is interesting to see as well. So that's going to be kind of cool to see once we actually put it to play. All right, and now that is the last number step, and now it says open the last one, tear into battle. So this one here is going to be our final one. So hopefully it's kind of cool in there. So we'll go ahead and cut this right here. Ready, guys? Whoa! That is wicked. So we have ourselves an arena looking style design concept with an exclusive BattleBot called Duck. So this is actually a big looking BattleBot. I'm kind of excited to see how this plays out. And then these here are, this is actually a pretty cool diorama display. So this here kind of showcases the BattleBot arena. And yeah, I mean, the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and try out these guys and see how they play. So let's go ahead and do that next. All right guys, we're all ready to go. I got my son Hamza here who's gonna play with me. You ready?
Yeah, I want this one.
You want this one? I'll go with the Duck, in which he has his lover. Cool. Are you ready? Fight! Ah! Oh no! Oh, I lost! You win! High five! 3, 2, 1, go!
What did you do?
I win! All right, you ready?
Come on! No, what did you do?
well, there you guys have it. So this here is the Hexbug's BattleBot. So it's actually a lot of fun. And Hamza, do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So which one's your favorite?
Want this one?
This one's your favorite? So this one here is Hamza's favorite. Mine has to be the duck. But yeah, with that being said, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Again.
Take care, guys. Bye-bye.